morning, guys. We're at it again. Of course, we're going to church. Today is Jackson's birthday. Yay! Honey, are you excited as I am for Jackson's birthday? Yes. Yeah. So we are on our way to church. Then we're going to his mom's house as planned. We got gifts and everything. Babe, did the trash fall off the car? No? Okay, so because it's cold, like I don't know, yesterday was like 66 degrees and today it's half of that and windy. Like it's really cold and I'm freezing my little butt. I just have a cardigan and this little shirt, and of course I have my jacket here, but this little car does not cannot handle me in jacket, kids, husband. It just can't. So until the car warm up, I'm just gonna have to be cold. But anyways, I forgot to tell you guys, I went to a different Target yesterday and they were able to exchange the diaper for a bigger size, and all I had to do was provide my ID, and come to find out, Target allows you to exchange 2 items without receipt using your ID per year. So I was like, I'm not exchanging anything at Target without a receipt, so whatever. So needless to say, I still have a little crush on Target, you know, just a little bit, just the one around my area, but the other ones, no. Anyways, I gotta go. See you guys later. Bye. Giant is making this man, Harris Teeter, push these carts from our neighborhood back to the store. So sad. Like seriously, the poor little old dude has to push 2 carts from where we live. It's like, how many miles is it? It's not even it's less than quarter.
It's less than a mile. It's
less than quarter of a mile or something. It's not far. And walking, it'll take you a good 10 minutes to get back down there. But it's cold and windy, and he has to push these carts that he didn't take the carts from the store, but in our neighborhood, people complain about abandoned shopping carts. So I guess they called Harris Teeter and told them to come pick up their abandoned buggies. So they sent the guy that collects them from the parking lot to come. Well, they dropped them off, which is like so bizarre. You couldn't get I don't know.
Just stick them in the trunk.
I know. In the trunk.
That same SUV that dropped them off.
No, nobody gonna put no buggy in their car. Please, they don't love that job that much. Anyways, I'll see you guys. Church over. I'm tired. My eye hurts. My face is like so oily. My husband is taking us to, where are we going again?
I don't know.
Whole Foods. We gotta go get vegan chicken. Is it vegan chicken? Mm-hmm. No, it's not even vegan chicken. It's Satan. I hate saying that word.
Me too.
We're gonna call it vegan chicken, okay? Cause I don't like the other words.
It's not Scottish anymore.
But I know, but it still sounds weird. So we're on our way to my mother-in-law's house. She has the cake, and Jackson's gonna open his gifts there and stuff like that. Of course, we're here, and the boy is excited to go get his birthday on. I gotta get Maddie out the car, you know what I mean? I gotta get Maddie. Oh, babe, get the baby. Did Grandma get your balloons? Yeah. Oh my gosh, you got balloons! Oh, Gio, you're 6. Is your balloon okay? You're a big boy now.
The big boy, mommy.
Did you say hi to Grandma?
Yes.
You did?
First crunch.
Miss Maddie, can we see your outfit? Madison.
Maddie.
So we got some rice, got beans, and chicken. Oh, this is our chicken. This is vegan. Oh, this is vegan chicken. It's hot. This is vegan chicken. It's really good. And this is, what's this? Salad. My lunch looks so lovely. Look at that. Right, Maddie? Maddie, Bobby birthday lunch look nice? She's like, what is this?
My what?
Why is she eating out of your plate? And look what she eating at there. Onion.
You wanted a church?
So, I'm about to eat me some food. And I needed to put this thing up. But let's try this food. Like, so yummy. You want to say something?
Not very easy.
It's your birthday?
I'm going to eat cake.
Cake?
Then I have to redo that. I'm going to open my present.
Okay. There you go.
It's my birthday.
Wow, it's his birthday.
Eating, we're going
You get ready to eat cake.
Madison, this is the cake.
Oh, look.
Madison, no touch. No touch, baby.
Jordan, sit back. Get your elbows on.
They didn't put the glaze on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sí, le voy a llamar y le voy a decir que con todo.
Janice, you call later.
I'll call later. We can get a free cake because they messed up my son's cake.
El dinero para
Are you
atrás.
excited? Yeah.
6 years old.
You're 6 years old. Oh my word, I can't believe
We're
it.
taking that cake on back.
Huh?
Que no estaba supuesto a
We're gonna take the cake back out.
Turn this down.
All right.
Down, Jeannie.
You ready, baby? Yeah.
Turn
You can take the video.
Take a picture of Jaxson.
All right. You ready, Daddy?
It doesn't look like you.
You scared me. Jesus, babe. You gonna shove him into the cake.
She said
You shame, yeah?
You ready?
You ready? All right.
Jackson, you shame, yeah?
Shy.
Shine.
Shy. Okay.
Shine. You shine, Jackson.
Shine.
Wait,
Yeah.
Ready.
wait.
Get off the paper. Yeah.
Wait.
The cheese.
The cheese. Smile.
Say 1, 2, 3. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaxson. Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Hey,
Yeah.
Happy birthday, my baby.
Vamos a comer el cake. Vamos.
Okay, here.
Vamos a comer.
Give grandma the
I want it.
You get the first
Here.
one.
You
get the first one.
Babe.
Okay, mommy cut. Mommy cut.
Here, baby. Here.
You are the first.
Okay.
Mommy cut.
Can I just put it on the cake?
This is your plate?
No.
Yeah.
Where do I put it? Actually, I'll do it. Mommy gave it to me.
Yes. Yeah. Put it here.
I give it.
No. Put it here. When I have the cake, this is yours.
So to put it back.
Yeah. I do. Sí, claro. Pero yo dejé alcanzar los platos.
You're welcome. Who's this?
No touch this. No touch this. Nothing touch, Madison. No touch my cake. No.
Where's this cake? Where's my
I
cake?
freaked out
Where's my
accident.
cake?
Oh. Mira cómo quedó. Mira la polla, mira cómo quedó.
Get the stuff.
Mira.
Mommy, can I stop recording?
Yeah, you can. Look at her misbehaving. Here.
Hello, guys. There's no stinky cake.
Here.
Hey, can I do it too? I never. You stink. Touch.
¿Qué?
Stop.
Tendría que traerla para que
They got pie too.
Pie?
Cherry pie.
That's for not birthday.
There's pie?
Why do you eat that?
Pie everywhere. Baby can't eat it. You like the balloons? Huh? Like the balloons, Mama? Your sissy. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Such a cutie pie. Give me a kiss. Leah, give me a kiss. No? So we're all done for the day. We had dinner. Jaxson had his cake. He opened his gifts. So all in all, it was a good birthday. My battery's done, so I gotta go. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye guys.